smiling.
First impressions are priceless.
I'm Dr. Kenny Levine. For the past 37 years, we've been helping patients of all ages restore their smiles. Today, with modern technology and lasers, we're able to treat infants of 7 days old. We treat their parents. We help them not only keep their teeth, but restore function for the rest of their lives.
Call 954-603-7109.
Hi, I'm Dr. Kenny Levine. Welcome back to Health Talk. We're seen on Uverse Channel 19 and WEYW19.com. I'm here with Dr. Steven Bromberg. Steven, let's talk a little bit. You know, veterinary dentistry, I understand, is a big deal. Can you talk about how that is part of your practice?
Sure. Again, when I got out of school 35 years ago, cleaning a dog's teeth meant sedating them, cleaning all the tartar off, extracting any loose teeth, and that was the extent of dental care in veterinary medicine for years. In today's world, there are again veterinary specialists out there that can do everything from root canals to capping teeth.
Right.
And as a general practitioner, we also do a lot more than we used to. Digital x-rays, which is the hallmark for diagnosing dental disease. I extracted 3 teeth from a Shih Tzu earlier today that would not have known that the dog even had dental problems had we not taken an x-ray and seen the disease process below the skin line. Many times the owner just sees tartar on the teeth and assumes the tooth is healthy underneath and just needs a cleaning. So the level of service has gravitated from simple cleanings to far more complicated issues.
Your colleagues who do a lot of veterinary dentistry, they go to dental school or do they learn all this in veterinary school?
No, they learn in veterinary school. They have programs that didn't exist again when I was in school.
Right.
So you have to have a specialty degree for it and special training and special exams, as you probably did for doing periodontal work as opposed to
Right.
general dental work.
So you made a decision early in your career to take care of smaller animals.
Yes.
And did you have classmates that went on to large animal careers?
Absolutely. We have classmates that they go and they ship cattle overseas because apparently there's a lot of medical problems overseas that they don't have in our livestock, and the only way to introduce healthy livestock is to literally bring them over, and it's a major ordeal shipping 2,000 head of cattle across the Atlantic Ocean to countries in Europe.
When a pet is brought in, a small animal, cat or dog or whatever, they need to have their teeth cleaned. Are they always sedated for that?
Very interesting that you bring that up because I noticed in the human field, painless dentistry with some of the anesthetic techniques is becoming more in vogue, whereas it's somewhat the opposite in my field. I've mentioned to you earlier that bringing a dog in to have the teeth cleaned involves sedation and extractions, whatever needed to be done. In today's world, there are a lot of trained veterinary hygienists that come in and do non-sedate dentals. And it's really a bonus for the client who is afraid of anesthesia or doesn't want to spend the extra money on the extra work that needs to be done, just wants a simple cleaning. As we said earlier, it's the gateway to disease, so if you can at least get the plaque, the infection out of the mouth, it's definitely helps the animal's breath, and it's a better
You have
relationship.
ultrasonic instruments like we have?
Yes.
Cavitron type things? That's good. And do you recommend that the owners, the pet owners, clean their animals' teeth every day?
The more they can do for their pet, the better the animal's going to be.
Just like a human?
Absolutely. We recommend daily brushing. There's oral hygiene liquid that can be put in the water to help akin to a mouthwash. There's dental diets out there, so when the dog is chewing on the food, it actually helps remove some of the plaque off the teeth. So there's a lot of proactive things that can be done.
All right, you know, I have a lot more questions to ask you about pets in just a moment. It's Dr. Kenny Levine with Health Talk. We'll see you back here in just a minute or so. Thank you.
When you're smiling.
First impressions are priceless.
I'm Dr. Kenny Levine. For the past 37 years, we've been helping patients of all ages restore their smiles. Today, with modern technology and lasers, we're able to treat infants of 7 days old. We treat their parents. We help them not only keep their teeth, but restore function for the rest of their lives.
Call 954-603-7109.